Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel Lego. First, begin by selecting your desired Marvel character or an iconic scene you wish to recreate. Gather several reference images to capture accurate details and proportions. Next, decide on the scale of your project, whether it is a small minifigure display or a larger, more intricate model. Finally, identify the specific types and colors of Lego bricks you will need for your chosen design. Once your plan is set, it is time to gather the necessary components. You can acquire Lego bricks from existing sets, purchase individual pieces online, or visit a local Lego store. For unique characters, consider using custom minifigure parts or even applying custom decals. Exploring third-party accessories can also add fantastic detail, bringing your Marvel creation to life with extra flair and authenticity. Building your Marvel Lego creation requires careful technique to ensure stability. Employ various methods, such as SNOT, which stands for studs not on top, for smooth surfaces and intricate angles. Always use interlocking bricks, like 2x4 plates, to create strong connections. Layering plates and bricks effectively builds texture and shape. Remember to reinforce critical joints, especially on larger models, to prevent any parts from detaching. After completing your magnificent Marvel Lego build, consider how you will display it. A custom base or stand can elevate your model, making it a true centerpiece. Add small, thematic details, such as a tiny accessory or a background element, to enhance the scene. For an extra touch, integrate LED lighting to highlight specific features or create dramatic effects. Finally, showcase your impressive Marvel Lego creation for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.